Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to show you how to replace a refrigerator water filter that you twist to remove. Twist to remove water filters usually are found in one of these locations. French door, inside top right, inside top left, inside middle, or bottom grill. Side by side, inside top right, inside bottom right, or bottom grill. Top freezer, inside top right, inside top left, or bottom grill. Bottom freezer, inside top right, or bottom grill. Four-door refrigerator, inside middle. Under counter, bottom grill. Check the owner's manual if you don't find the filter in one of these locations. To replace the filter, twist it to the left and pull it out of the housing. For filters in the grill, use the decorative filter cap from the old filter on the new filter. Line up the new filter, push it into the filter housing, and twist the filter to the right. Wipe up any spills. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light. If you're having problems removing your old filter or installing the new one, check out our video on replacement tips. Save yourself the hassle of remembering to order the water filter regularly by signing up for a subscription plan at SearsPartsDirect.com. You get free shipping and free up space in your memory banks. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.